What is your high risk and low risk idea for the viewers today?
I think as far as trading strategy is concerned, we have one buy, which is PI Industries. Stock has been doing good over the past many months now. A series of higher highs, higher lows. So PI Industries looks good. Stop loss around 25.20 can be bought for a target of 27.90. And we have one short call. So bearish call would be from the option segment. Titan looks weak with a short term view. So 1500 put option looks quite attractive around 35.36. As a trader, one can look to go long in 1500 put option in Titan, stop loss 22, target 58.
Ashish, what are your ideas for the viewers?
Well, there are two ideas. One is, of course, a little high risk, high return kind of an idea, which is Steel Authority of India. Now, what has happened is that the commodity cycle in general, and especially the metal cycle, has turned around. Usually, the cycle lasts for about 2 to 3 years, and we are still not, we are still in the first year of the turnaround. So, yes, there is a lot of scope more for the metal stocks to go higher. Now, within the metal space, SAIL has the highest operating leverage. So, when the things turn around, SAIL gets a lot of benefit. And considering that and keeping the potential in mind, the stock, although has gone up a lot from the lower levels, still has a huge potential going forward. And I think the all-time high is around 300 rupees. It will not be very surprising if by the end of this cycle it reaches somewhere close to that. So at around 90 rupees, where it's trading right now, it's still a very good stock to have for the next 2 years. Very good return possibilities. Risk is always there because at the end of the day, it is a metal stock, commodity stock. So if the cycle does end earlier than expected, then yes, this stock would give you a loss. But the chances of return are much higher, and the scope of return is also much more than the possible loss one can have. So in terms of a high risk, high return kind of a category, this is a very strong, good stock. And despite the run up, this still is giving you a very good entry point. The low risk idea mentioned earlier also in this chat is Tata Consumer. Tata Consumer low risk because the company, after many years of consolidation, has turned around and doing very well now. They also have the advantage of getting the other consumer business of Tata Group. They've gone into staples in a big way, which is a very big market. And if you look at if you do a sum of parts valuation of Tata Consumers, various beverages and food businesses, as well as the Starbucks franchise which it holds in India, it is still at a very significant discount to what is the could be the fair value of this counter. Again, in the consumer space, so very safe. I don't see any negative surprise chance here. So yes, could be a slow mover, but certainly a very safe stock to have in one's portfolio. And over the next few years, would continue giving very good returns as it has done in the past. So this is my very safe idea. As a disclosure, both SAIL and Tata Consumer I am holding, and I've also recommended to my clients.